This bird shows up when death arrives. It doesn't hunt, it doesn't attack. It just waits for the smell of a corpse. This is the griffon vulture, a massive scavenger with wings spanning up to 2.8 meters. It can strip a dead horse to the bone in under an hour. But here's the weird part. It doesn't feast in chaos. They gather in silence, taking turns, using long beaks to reach deep into the soft tissue. Sounds terrifying? Maybe. But without it, dead bodies would rot in the wild, disease would spread, and nature would choke on its own silence. It feeds on death, sure, but without it, life wouldn't go on.